Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question says, suppose A1, A2, 2, A3, A4 be in an arithmetico-geometric progression. If the common ratio of the corresponding geometric progression is 2 and the sum of all 5 terms of the arithmetic geometric progression is 49 by 2, then A4 is equal to. तो यहाँ हमारे पास है 4 options. We need to solve this arithmetico-geometric progression and find the value of A4. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हम यूज करेंगे द की कंसेप्ट दैट द जनरल फॉर्म फॉर द टर्म्स ऑफ एन अर्थमेटिको geometric progression is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d multiplied by r power n minus 1. So this is the concept we are going to use in this question. That is, the general form of an arithmetico-geometric progression is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d multiplied by r power n minus 1. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास है a1, a2, 2, a3 and a4. तो a1 होगी a and a2 will be 2 times a plus d because this is an arithmetico-geometric progression. a2 value will be 2 square times a plus 2d and a3 value will be 2 cube times a plus 3d and a4 value will be 2 power 4 times a plus 4d. So first let's focus on given information, that is 2 square times a plus 2d is equal to 2. तो यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं a plus 2d is equal to 2 by 2 square which is 4. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. तो इसको हम लिख लेंगे इक्वेशन नंबर 1. तो यहाँ से we can also write a is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2d. इसको हम आगे यूज करेंगे to find the value of a. अब हम next given information पे focus करेंगे which is sum of all 5 terms is 49 by 2. तो हमारे पास सारे टर्म्स है a plus 2 times of a plus d plus 2 plus 8 times of a plus 3d plus 16 times of a plus 4d. So this is equal to 49 by 2. ये given है हमें. तो अब हम इसको simplify कर लेंगे. So we'll have a plus 2a plus 2d plus 2 plus 8a plus 8 times 3d will be 24d plus 16a plus 16 times 4d will be 64d. This is equal to 49 by 2. तो इसको simplify करेंगे. Then we will get 27a plus 90d plus 2 is equal to 49 by 2. अब हम इस 2 को right side ले लेंगे. So we'll get 27a plus 90d is equal to 49 by 2 minus 2. यहाँ से हम 3 को common लेंगे. So we'll have 3 times of 9a plus 30d is equal to 49 minus 4 is 45. So 45 by 2. Now 3 times 15 will be 45. तो इसको cancel कर लेंगे. तो यहाँ से हमें मिली है 9a plus 30d is equal to 15 by 2. This is equation number 2. अब हम equation 1 को यहाँ पे substitute कर लेंगे which is a value. So we have 9a plus 30d is equal to 15 by 2. तो यहाँ हम substitute करेंगे a value which is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2d. So we will have 9 times 1 by 2 minus 2d plus 30d is equal to 15 by 2. So this will be 9 by 2 minus 9 times 2d is 18d plus 30d is equal to 15 by 2. इसको solve कर लेंगे. So we have 30d minus 18d is 12d. और 9 by 2 को right side ले लेंगे. So 15 by 2 minus 9 by 2. So we have 12D is equal to 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 by 2 will be 3. So D is equal to 3 by 12. So D value हमें मिली है 1 by 4. अब हम D value को A में substitute करेंगे and we'll get A. So A is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 times D, where D is 1 by 4. यहाँ से हमें A value मिल जाएगी. तो A is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 times 2 is 4. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will be 0. तो हमें मिली है A value is equal to 0. तो अब हमारे पास है बोथ A एंड D वैल्यूज. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें फाइंड करने के लिए बोला गया है A4. सो हमारे पास है A4 is equal to 2 power 4 times A plus 4D. So 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. And A value हमारे पास है 0 plus 4 times of D is 1 by 4. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled 1 times each. तो अब हमारे पास बचा है A4 is equal to 16 times 1. So A4 is equal to 16. This is the required answer. So from the given options, option D 16 is the correct answer. I hope you understood it well. Good luck.